My name is Jacqualyne Johnson, and I'm here because the Tarrant County Sheriff's 2025 fact sheet does not reflect the truth of what is happening inside that jail. The sheriff claims deaths are trending downward, but his report distorts the reality by minimizing the homicide of my son, Anthony Johnson Jr., by reclassifying deaths that begin inside that jail as hospital deaths, and by ignoring cases with missing video, missing investigations. You can make numbers say anything you want, but the real human fact tells a different story. Last month, 26-year-old Sean Barracio, a man with intellectual and developmental disabilities and the medical capacity of a young child, was released after 16 months in the Tarrant County Jail. And even the sheriff's office admitted he should never have been there, which is a system failure. On April 19, 26, 36-year-old John Barr died after being found unresponsive in his cell, becoming yet another in-custody death. While this jail is already under scrutiny for medical and procedural failures, this pattern is not. Before Sheriff Waybourn's 2024 election, Tarrant County had 26 in-custody deaths that were never investigated under the Sandra Bland Act. Even though the law requires an independent investigation for every jail death, instead of following the statute, the district attorney went to the Texas Attorney General to avoid triggering those investigations. And only 5 of the 26 have ever been independently investigated, leaving 21 deaths without the legal required investigation. The sheriff's fact sheet lists numbers, but it does not answer basic questions. Why are people with severe disabilities held in jail instead of treatment facilities? Why is video missing in multiple death cases? Why are deaths shifted to JPS to avoid counting them as in custody? And how are drugs entering a secure facility, holding people who haven't been convicted of a crime? This fact sheet is not transparency, and it is not accountability. It is a public relations propaganda. My son's death and the death of the suffering of others are not numbers to be managed. They are evidence of a jail system failing the people in its care. When this commission labels the Tarrant County Jail as satisfactory, you are making a statement about the level of suffering, neglect, and preventable deaths you are willing to overlook. If this commission continues to rate this jail as satisfactory in the face of homicides, missing video, missing investigation, untreated mental health crisis, and people dying days after being booked, the public will see that as complicity. Oversight is not symbolic. It is a responsibility. And when oversight fails, people pay with their lives.